Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing essentials: new Wi-Fi name and password, and your phone charged. Open the Google Home app now. The device must be visible on the old network so the app can communicate with it. Tap the Chromecast card because you need to access device settings first. Once done, make sure the phone and Chromecast remain on the same network long enough to read current settings and trigger the change process. This step lets the app locate the device and push new configuration. If your new network keeps the same SSID and just changed the password, try updating credentials on the router, then reconnect via Google Home. The Chromecast often re-authenticates automatically. If the SSID differs, you must put Chromecast into setup mode. Press and hold the reset button until the LED flashes, because the device can only join a new SSID from setup. Once in setup mode, the app will guide you through discovery, pairing, and providing the new Wi-Fi credentials so the device can join your new network. Finish by following the on-screen steps in Google Home. Select your Chromecast, choose the new Wi-Fi, enter the password, and wait for confirmation tone. This verifies connectivity. Test casting to confirm video plays. If setup fails, reboot the router, your phone, and the Chromecast and retry. Make sure you select 4 GHz if range is an issue, because 4 often penetrates better. One key troubleshooting tip: if discovery never happens, factory reset again, and ensure the phone's Bluetooth and location are enabled for device detection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.